Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Ufree Beard Hair Trimmer kit. So it comes with a bunch of different things. So it's, first of all, we'll start with the main thing. So it's quite heavy, which feels really nice on the touch. Feels like very strongly made. And then we just powered it on. So quite powerful as well. So it's going to be perfect. I haven't tried it for cutting hair, but for any beard type of stuff, it's going to be absolutely perfect. Feels really, really good, and this kind of grips as well. And it's also USB-C chargeable. So it came with the charging cord as well, but since I've already got a bunch of the USB-C stuff, I didn't need the charging thing. So then you've got the typical, just kind of brush away any of the hairs. We got this one for when you want to transport it. This is just kind of like the safety one, like so. So all the attachments, they all feel pretty good. You got 1 mil, 2, 3, and 4 mils. Oh, sorry, 1 millimeter, 2, 3, and 4 millimeter. So yeah, they fit on really nice, and they work really well with the thing. And we've also got this little plastic bit. Just kind of hear that click. It's in to go. Kind of protects the hair. So I use it with this on, and then you can kind of take it off at the end. Kind of easy clean with the brush, that sort of thing. So it's absolutely perfect for shaving. So I love it for those things. Haven't tried it for hair, so can't comment on that, but it is quite powerful. And the fact that it also tells you the power as well, so that's 24%, and then it will tell you like low charge, and that sound, normally once a tire charged, it sounds a bit stronger than that. So that kind of gives you a bit of a reference, but at full power, it's going to be at more charge, it's going to be more powerful. But yeah, it's definitely going to do the job for beards, and yeah, I absolutely love it. Also a good gift as well. It's kind of that professional feel, touch, and weight. So it's kind of got nice engravings as well. So you kind of get that barbershop feel at the comfort of your own home, so you can kind of do the job yourself and yeah, save yourself a bit of money. But I absolutely love this kind of gold color as well. So overall, yeah, can't fault it. Got 5 stars from me. Easy to charge, strong battery. Yes, absolutely perfect, and all the different attachments as well. Came with the lubricant lube as well, but I've used that now, and that seemed to work well, so I've just gone and purchased another one. So definitely recommend the Ufree Beard Trimmer.